Have you ever dreamed of living a life of luxury where money is never an issue? Well, my friend, today is your lucky day. Welcome to the pathway of true wealth and financial freedom. We will uncover the secrets that separate the wealthy from the rest of the pack. I will walk you through 10 easy steps that will not only make you rich but never work again. Step 1. Rewire your mindset. The first step to becoming truly rich is to change your mindset. Understand the power of positive thinking, embrace abundance, and remove all limiting beliefs. Believe that you are destined for success, and success will find its way to you. Step 2. Set clear goals. Truly wealthy individuals aren't just lucky. They have a clear vision and set ambitious goals to achieve their dreams. Write down your goals, break them down into smaller, achievable steps, and take consistent action towards them. Step 3. Invest in yourself. Continuing education is crucial in wealth creation. Invest in yourself by attending seminars, reading informative books, and acquiring new skills. The more knowledge you accumulate, the more valuable you become to the world, and the more success will gravitate towards you. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Step 4. Save and budget wisely. Wealthy individuals know the value of a dollar. Set up a budget, track your expenses, and save money for future investments. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to financial independence. Step 5. Build multiple streams of income. Diversify your revenue sources. Relying on a single income is a dangerous game. Explore investment opportunities, consider starting a side hustle, or even launch your own business. Multiple streams of income will keep money flowing into your life, even while you sleep. Step 6. Leverage the power of compounding. Compound interest is the magic sauce of wealth creation. Invest wisely and consistently, allowing your investments to grow exponentially over time. The sooner you start, the better. Let time and compounding energy do the heavy lifting for you. Step 7. Surround yourself with a winning network. Birds of a feather flock together. Surround yourself with successful and like-minded individuals who share your goals and aspirations. Attend networking events, join mastermind groups, and build a supportive network that motivates and challenges you to achieve greatness. Step 8. Don't fear failure. Embrace it. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's merely a part of the journey towards it. Embrace failure as a valuable learning experience. It's those who are willing to take risks and overcome setbacks that ultimately achieve greatness. Step 9. Practice gratitude and give back. As you acquire wealth, always remember to practice gratitude and give back to society. Support causes you truly believe in and use your success to make a positive impact on the lives of others. Step 10. Never stop learning and evolving. The road to ultimate wealth is an ongoing journey. Never settle for mediocrity. Embrace a growth mindset, continually seek new opportunities, and adapt to the fast-paced changes in the world. Stay hungry for knowledge and never stop evolving. Now that you know the secrets to ultimate wealth, it's time to take action. Remember, riches and financial freedom are within your grasp. It's time to rewrite your story and become the person you were always meant to be. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share it with others who want to unlock their true potential.